Morning everybody. This session is the continuation of the chapter The Summit Within, written by H.P.S. Ahluwalia. Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia was a member of the first successful Indian expedition to Mount Everest in 1965. In the last session, we read author's various feelings when he reached the summit of Mount Everest. He had sadness as well as happiness. He also thought why at the first place he chose to climb Mount Everest. Ahluwalia says that after climbing Everest, he felt a deep sense of joy. This joy will last or remain the rest of his life. He also felt thankful to God. He says that this experience changes a man completely. A man who has been to the mountain is never the same again. He changes completely. The author writes that whenever he thinks about having climbed the summit of Everest, he cannot stop himself thinking about another significant or important summit, which is summit of the mind, which is not easier to climb, which is no less formidable. No less formidable means it is not less frightening. It is challenging. After getting down from the summit, having recovered from physical exhaustion means tiredness, he began to ask himself the reason as to why he climbed the highest peak. It was very difficult to understand why the act of reaching the summit had such an effect on his imagination all the time, even when it was already a thing of the past. Why he was thinking all about it all the time. He knew that as each day passed, this experience of reaching the summit will get old. He was unsure whether the memory of this event would remain or fade away slowly. All the thoughts that came into the author's mind made him ask himself as why people climb mountains. It is not easy to answer this question. The simplest answer would be because it is there. Climbing a mountain poses great difficulties and challenges, and we all know that overcoming these obstacles brings pleasure to the climbers. People climb mountain because it is a difficult task. They take delight in overcoming obstacles. A climb to summit means endurance, means tolerance. Tolerance means ability to accept things you do not like. Persistence means determination and willpower. In order to climb a summit, a person needed these three qualities. Endurance, that means tolerance, persistence, determination and willpower. The climbing of the summit is thus a demonstration of these three qualities. We will read the next part of the chapter tomorrow. Thank you.